Light. This is it. Fountain boomer. Hey everybody, Groggy D, how you doing today? Got a interesting video today. Don't normally do a lot of firecracker videos, but well, this one at least gives you 3 different color of firecracker. Now, do these have actual red, white, and blue color to them? Doesn't say so. Phantom red, white, and blue crackers. Limited edition Wolfpack firecrackers. So we can expect these to be just like Wolfpack firecrackers, especially those red ones. And from what I've seen, yeah, no color from the demos out there. Blue over here. Each strip is 100 firecrackers. So we got 300 altogether. Let's take a look down here. When did they come out with this one? 2018. So I noticed on their shelf they still have quite a few of these, even though it's a limited edition. Let's go light them off. It's getting close to the 4th of July, by the way, when I'm filming this, so, you know, I can do a little bit here and there now. Out on the tracks. Check them out. I noticed when you when you open them, you get actually 3 wrapped packages with a label on each one. But they're, you know, I like the handling of the extra wrapping. You know, keeps it all together real nice. Good color for the different colors. Just, yeah, print ends, of course. Standard loud crackers. Pacing, who knows? I've had some that go real fast. Let's light them. All right, we got red first. 2 fuses on these. I don't know which one to light. All right, see if white is any brighter. Here's a bonus Roman candle tonight. This is a Galaxy 8-ball with crackling in red and green. Some doubles. All right, well, we got a couple at a time, and some pops, not just crackles. This has been a fun video to make. Just wanted to say that firecrackers have always been part of what I do on the 4th of July since I was a very young man in 1970s. Up in upstate New York, we used to find firecrackers, maybe $1 a pack, $2 or so, and we'd light them off individually, and they were a lot of fun. Didn't even really get into fountains or anything like that. I'd make camellia flowers and a couple of other novelties. Sparklers were allowed, of course, so no problem getting them, and snakes. Just wanted to say that, and also a little shout out to my go-to firecracker channel, Light of the World Fireworks, Brett and Tay. I just want to say that their videos are interesting from a collectible standpoint, which is kind of what these firecrackers are. A little bit of a collectible one. I could buy a pack next time I go to Phantom and just kind of hang on to that just for collectability. Talk to you later. Good stuff.